Vietnam veteran. And NBC 38's Christina Chambers has more on the House of Heroes project.
Today's a dream come true for Mrs. Collins at Smith Station. Just being able to spend time with her and having that friendship being built has been just as good for her as well. Mrs. Collins is the widow of Vietnam veteran John Thomas Collins, who served 21 years in the military. He passed away in June.
He became in ill health in the last couple of years and has had some issues on their house that they've been asking for assistance to help.
And that's where House of Heroes is stepping in. The Carrolls are the team leaders in this project. Mrs. Collins has been on the waiting list for 3 years.
Here today to do the heavy construction and get some of the major repairs done. And tomorrow we'll have a team out here to seal this brand new fence and paint the whole exterior of the house. And
more than 80 volunteers are fixing Mrs. Collins' house, including volunteers from Fort Benning's U.S. Army Combative School. It's been humbling. It's been a beautiful experience just to see all of that love coming together for friends and complete strangers.
Mrs. Collins' house is expected to be completed by tomorrow. Reporting in Smith Station for Alabama First News, I'm Christina Chambers.
The House of Heroes project is in conjunction with the Both Hands Foundation, which helps families adopt children and to serve widows. The Carroll family is adopting 2 children from India. Right now, WLTZ NBC 38 Chief Media